Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This idyllic property boasts 8 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. The property comes partially finished with 2 townhouses semi-attached. Both townhouses are currently under construction. They are nestled in the quiet community of Bryans Pen, just 5 minutes or less from the busy town center of May Pen, which makes it close to amenities such as medical facilities, security forces, supermarkets, etc. It is family oriented as well and tastefully appointed for anyone looking to return to the community who would like to enjoy the feel of a new and modernly styled townhouse. The land area of this townhouse is approximately 10,861 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.